Okay, guys, I've actually gotten an entry, understand, for today, actually. So this is the entry here on good, actually. Just like if you watch the first video I did in the morning, I told you guys that we are currently on our point of interest or OTC, whatever is being, whatever you call you know it with actually. So now on this our point of interest, we are expecting gold to actually resist on this region, which was former support. That's that. Then with respect to that, you had looking at this thing, you see that you have the first point here, it resisted, it went down, it traced up here, it's been followed by a series of candle. Understand? This was actually the first engulfing candle we had, but it was very tiny and it's not convincing enough, so I said to skip it. Then after series of consolidation, we also had the second candle, which was a more bigger engulfing candle, and that is why I took the trade. And I placed a short position here, and I placed my take profit at the low after this low, the low that bought the pullback, and that is at this point right now, and that is at this point, which is this is the previous low here. That is at this point, which is 4,207 something. Yeah. So I want you guys to know one thing. This is the trade here. Let me show you guys where the trade is. We actually take it down so you can see it. Yeah, this is the trade in real time. Yeah. I want you guys to know something. Actually, it's just like I always say. It's not guaranteed that this is gonna play out. It's trading. Anything can happen. Understand? I open my mind to anything can happen. Even though I'm not actually feeling happy because I'm feeling very bad. Reason being the fact that this trade might not really hold. It might not really hold. Understand? It might not really hold. I'm gonna take it because of this. My rules are being obeyed, so I have to take it. But it might not really hold. And missing this trade with miss, which is this particular trade, actually still get me angry because it hurt me a lot. Just like in a football match, you miss your first leg and it's time to equalize your second leg. Because if this trade did not hold now, obviously if you have taken this trade, it would like cushion any possible loss you might have taken if this particular current trade did not hold. But for the fact that we skipped it and we are taking the second one, now, if the second one did not hold, that means we all will be on loss because the first one did not take it. Understand? So we just hope and pray that this second one holds and turns out to be a win. But even if it turns out to be a loss, it is what it is. We accept it and we move on. Understand? So what is the big lesson in this thing? Never you tend to once your rules have been met, always take the trade. Don't allow your emotion to play into your trade. Understand? It is what it is, guys, and let's hope and pray that it plays out successfully. So the next place we are looking at now is Bitcoin. We are currently watching on Bitcoin to see what's gonna happen next. But meanwhile, just like I told you guys, we are taking the trade on good and we just cross our fingers and keep watching and see what happens. So thank you, and I also I wish you guys well.